Embedded figures under logical reasoning are very common type of questions appearing in various Olympiads, where you have to find a figure x which is embedded in the given option figures. Let us read the question first. Select a figure from the options in which figure x, this is the figure x, is embedded as one of its part. So there is a figure out of these options A, B, C and D where this question figure is embedded. We have to find that. Solving such questions need practice. There is no shortcut. So for such questions, your practice in visualization of various figures is very important. Let us try out this pattern. If we try to match this pattern over here, if you see over here, this is something like this and this, but there is nothing getting across, so we eliminate option A. Option A is not the right answer. Now let us try option C. Here also, after this is not there, so option C is also not the right answer. Next, let us try option D. Here also you can see that the question figure or the figure X is not embedded, so option D is also not the right answer. So let us try out if we can find out the question figure in option B. It starts from here, then it goes like this, just like in figure X, then over here, then till this middle path, this coming down and this. So we can see that this figure exactly matches this figure over here, so we can very comfortably say that option B is the right answer. So such type of question needs practice. So the more you practice, the confident you become. This is a very common type of question, so practice such questions for your confidence. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you. If our videos and website www.decodemonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.